Mastering English Idioms, on the back foot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in conversations or readings, on the back foot. Understanding idioms like this one is crucial for fluency and can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily English. The phrase, on the back foot, refers to being in a defensive or less advantageous position in a particular situation. It's often used to describe someone who is having to react to events, rather than controlling them. This idiom can apply to various contexts, from sports to business, and even personal conversations. The key idea here is the sense of struggling to gain control or to catch up with the others. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them much easier to remember. The expression, on the back foot, originally comes from sports, particularly cricket. In cricket, a batsman being on the back foot means they are leaning back towards their stumps, usually in anticipation of a fast or bouncing ball. This position is more defensive, aimed at protecting the wicket rather than striking aggressively. Over time, this literal sporting stance has evolved into a metaphor for disadvantage or a defensive posture in broader contexts. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how to use on the back foot in sentences. In a debate, after his opponent presented unexpected evidence, Jake found himself on the back foot, struggling to defend his position. In business, the sudden rise of a new competitor has put our sales team on the back foot. In personal contexts, I was on the back foot all day because I started my morning without coffee. These examples show how versatile the idiom is and how it can vividly describe situations where someone is at a disadvantage. And there you have it, a deep dive into the idiom, on the back foot. We hope this explanation helps you feel more comfortable using it in your conversations and writings. Remember, mastering idioms is a fantastic way to enrich your English and sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful lessons. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.